Hi again, everyone. Welcome to this lesson in which that we are still under topic one with the subtopic of writing the significance of study. So in this topic, we will explore what the significance section is, why it is matter in academic research, and how you can construct a strong, meaningful explanation of your study contribution. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify who benefit from your research and how your findings can be an impact at the theoretical level, practically, and at the methodological levels. So the section explains the importance and the relevance of your research to different stakeholders. It highlights the contribution of your study of the result, to be precise, that will be useful towards improving understanding, solving a problem, or adding a new perspective. So your audience could be panel members, it could be the readers or the examiners, should clearly see that your research is not trivial but meaningful and relevant. The significance section serves several important purposes. First, it justifies why the study is worth doing by linking your topic to a bigger issue or a gap. Second, it clarifies how your work adds value to existing research. And the third one, it outlines practical implication, such as informing the government policy, helping an industry, or as in the form of supporting decision making as well. So finally, it reinforces the research gap by explaining how your study addresses the past studies that might have been overlooked. There are many ways your study can be significant. The first one is the theoretical significance. And so it refers to how your findings expand or refine existing theories. The second one is the practical significance, which refer to how your work benefit the practitioners, such as the manager, the educators, or the entrepreneurs. Third one is the methodological significance that explains how your research improve or be able to introduce a new approach or a new tools. Third one is the fourth one is the policy significance that can affect organization or the government in designing a better guidelines. And last but not least, the social significance, which highlights the benefit of the study to the society, to the community, or specific groups that may gain from your findings. A strong significance statement is clear, it's specific, and it is realistic. So begin by identifying who stands to benefit your study. The researcher, the industry, the practitioners, the consumers, policymaker, or specific communities. Then explain exactly how your findings will benefit them. Ensure your significant align with the research problem and the research gap. So avoid vague claim, such as this study will help everyone or this study will solve all problems. So this basically will weaken your credibility. Instead, you need to be precise about the contribution of your work. A helpful structure for writing your significance section begins by addressing the general importance of your research topic. Okay, then explain how your study contribute theoretically, such as supporting or extending existing models or highlighting a practical aspect. So in this context of highlighting practical aspect, it could be in the form of how organization or individuals can apply your findings. So from there, mention the methodological improvement of your study that you can offer, if there is any. And finally, you may conclude your research by identifying the benefit that the society and the specific communities can gain. Okay, so this is a simple example of what a significant section might look like. And now let's say that you are conducting a study that contributes to the theory of planned behavior, in which that you wanted to test a model within Malaysian SMEs, small medium entrepreneurs, enterprise. Sorry. Particularly, the findings can help the small medium enterprises to improve their digital marketing strategies, which is based on the data-driven insight. On the methodological aspect, the study could offer a validated measurement scale for future research. And at a policy level, the results can guide agencies in designing more effective digital training programs for the entrepreneurs. Now, when writing the significance of study, try to avoid common mistakes. Many students describe overly the broad benefits, such as the study will help the whole world, which is neither realistic nor academically appropriate. So do not simply restate the problem statement or write unsupported claims. So the significance must be specific and logical. Always explain how and why your study brings value. So in conclusion, the significance of the study is a powerful section that communicates why your study is worth to be pursued. So it shows that your study contributes to the knowledge, to the practice, to methods, or even the society. So when the writing is good, it can actually strengthen the entire proposal by clearly link the research problem and the research gap with meaningful contribution. So remember to keep your explanation specific and realistic, ensuring your significance align with the purpose and the direction of the study. Okay, that's all for now. So I'll meet you guys again in the next video. Bye.